In this packet, this problem right here is number 6 on your packet. So go to number 6. That's the one that we're going to do. Okay, all the other ones should be easy. I'm only going to help you on number 6 and number 11. The rest of them I expect you to be able to do it on your own. Problem number 6. Consider the equation y equals a times b to the power of t, where a, b, and c are all greater than 1. If the value of a, b, and c are changed as described below, which causes the greatest increase in the value of y. Okay, so let's make up numbers. Let's say that our equation is y equals 2 times 2 to the power of 2. Because the numbers just have to be greater than 1. So anything bigger than 1. So using this, let's say it tells us to triple the value of a. So if I triple the value of a, now I have 6 in place here. So that would be y equals 6, parentheses, 2 to the power of 2. If I triple the value of b, triple this one, that would make it y equals, this stays the same, 2 times 6 to the power of 2. And if I triple the value of t, that will make that a 6. So y equals 2 times 2 to the power of 6. So if I put all of these in y equals trace, I need another color, let me see, black. If I put all of these in y equals second graph, I know I said trace, but it's second graph. Which one makes it grow the fastest? Okay? So put all of these in y equals second graph and see which one has the greatest increase in the value of y. Okay? And then you're on your own on that one. Something I'm going to mention real quick before I do number 11. On questions like this, make sure that you put parentheses around your exponents. Okay, so in the calculator, you would do y equals x to the power of, and then do parentheses x plus 1. Okay? And then do y equals second graph. Don't forget to do that. This is number 8. Okay, let's go to number 11. This one's number 11 on your packet. And number 11 and 12 are very similar, so I'll do number 11 and you guys, you'll know how to do number 12. So right here it says the value of y equals 10 to the power of x increases rapidly as large values of x become larger. Calculate the value of y when x equals 5 and x equals 1.5. What is the increase in y for this small change of x? So we're asking you to find what is your y when x is 5 and the value of x equals 5.1. Now we cannot find this in second graph. I can find this one in second graph, but I cannot find this one in second graph. So we're going to have to put in y equals trace. Okay, we're going to put the equation that they gave us, which is y equals 10 to the power of x in y equals trace, and we're going to go find these numbers. Okay? So let's do that right now. Y equals 10 to the power of x. And remember, yours looks different than mine because my calculator is a little more advanced. So we're going to go to trace. And we're looking for 5 and 5.1. So type 5, enter. And write that number down on your table. This is 100,000. So let's write that down on the table. Right here it's 100,000. And then let's go type 5.1 in the calculator. Look look at the number that it gave me. It gave me 125,892. Let's write that down on our table. One, 2, 5, 8, 9, 2. And don't worry about the decimal. It's asking for the difference, what happened from here to here. So you're going to have to subtract 1, 2, 5, 8, 9, 2 minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What's the difference? Okay? And then you go look for it up there. And the answer is B. Okay? That was the closest one. So that's how you're going to do problem number 12 as well. Go ahead and finish the whole packet, check your answers, and help each other out.